I know you, but you will forget me. Sooner and later, it is uncertain. For you always move it out slowly, but in the end, you will forget me. We see, we walk, we do, we change. You blind, you paralyze, you stay, but you cannot be changed. We wonder one thing, we can change, but we wonder, do you can be changed? I wish we always know each other, but limitation always be upon us. For such weak body we have today, tomorrow, can we know each other? We are limited, bound by weakness. But you, infinite, bound by nothingness. For we will perish one day, not ever return. But in the end, you will forget me. Let's say time was one of the ambiguous aspects in this life. It was slow, sometimes fast. It happens without our consent. Time was rather infinite. We don't know if time has limitation, either by judgment day or our very own life just passing away. We always wonder, do we can turn back time just to savor what has been lost in our life? Or try other route that we can shape our own destiny from previous one? Such curious case, isn't it? We always wonder one thing that seems impossible. Can one do time travel with such 0% possibility, even though you may find videos about it? No, because time always moves and never stop, never tire or never sleep. Always there, morning to night. The cycle repeats itself. This is the aspect of time, aspect of unstoppable design that force human to animal to change every time. I always thinking what we do with the time that has given to us. Learning, playing, spend time with loved one. Is this worth it? Is it giving impact on everyone while time doesn't care and doesn't listen to us? Yes and no. We always bound to time via age, doing activity, or just killing time. But why is it important to not underestimate time if it's infinite, but we have limited action toward time itself? Because we have no choice but to force ourselves to choose what benefit to us. Because we have limitation that is age, health condition, and even our economic status. We have no power to experience time itself, but experience what we do toward time itself. We had no choice. We cannot do anything, try anything, accomplish anything because we had to choose. Choose what important to shape human future, our future, while we have no time to experience other future. Is it frustrating to stuck in one expertise and never break out from it? I always thinking, what we human do anyway? Work till die? Or work till time takes our life away? Is it possible for us, human, to deny this aspect and enjoy time that has given to us for other possibilities? Aspect of human always trying to achieve dream and hope in life while avoiding conflict. Conflict of time that rob our life, limiting our action to do others and experience different route of life. Is it us, human, that wasting time, or time was so infinite, or limitation never reach it? Such question, isn't it? I always see people do things, care for themselves or each others, but do time care for us? Human, animal, and other things, we never see it or never interact with it. It exists without our knowledge, but in time's knowledge, we exist without its consent. We, as living beings, do our mundane and menial tasks every day to every night to the last moment of our life. Time was there, watching, observing without giving anyone handicap, always there to support everything, based on the design of life itself. always being a two-sided factions without anyone agree nor disagree, always a wild one, free being of wonder that has nothing to do with living being, but it exists along with us. Yet we never experience it, always upon ourselves or others to acquire such accomplishment without its approval. Time is infinite, but not ourselves. We human simply have no power to control time, but we have power to control ourselves for time that has given to us and use it to do things we think right. It's such a sad moment that time also our own enemy, that even though we did right, time will always chase us due to rules of life itself. Rule of work, rule of human, rule of nature. Time just there to become our ally for a moment until become our enemy once again. I wish we have overcome our limitation to feel and taste the free time that we carve so much after hard life we endure, to enjoy trivial life and age that force us to always walk and run, for such life that is infinite to time but not to ourselves.